Hello everyone. Once again I'm here on my channel Video Excel. Today I will talk about funding a future obligation and funding retirement plan. So what it is. Before going forward with this, let me talk about a concept here. Let's say today you have rupees 100. What happened to that rupees 100 if that is kept in your wallet and not put in bank or invested anywhere? Obviously, the value of that rupees 100 today will be very less after 5 years. This is called inflation, which means the purchasing power of rupees 100 will decrease. But when you invest it, say you put even in the saving account, you can easily earn 4% per annum. Hence, the money today rupees 100 will become 104 and so on will increase, and at the end of the fifth year it will be around 121. So this concept is known as time value of money. Basis of this concept, we will talk how we can plan to fund a future obligation or to fund for our retirement. The basic formula what I will be using in the background will be this. But since I will be doing in Excel, I will be using the Excel functions. But in the background, this will be going to happen. So let's see here PV is equal to present value, R is equal to rate of interest, and N is equal to number of the periods. You don't need to memorize this formula because this whole thing we will doing with the Excel functions and it will be very easy. So be with me till the end of the video and we will see how we can plan funding a future obligation and our retirement plan. Let's start. For example, I have a future obligation of payment of 25,000 every year from the fifth year. Okay. Now I want to save some money in those 4 years, so I can get an amount here which I can invest and make the periodical payment from the year 5th. Let's start how we will do it. First I have to find the present value of this payment. NPV, rate, and my value. So I will take all this. So this is the amount I need at the end of the 4th year. So I can invest it at 10% and I will get these value for my periodical payments. Okay. Now how much saving I have to make every year so I can invest that in 10% to get this much amount at the end of the 4th year. I will use PMT formula. Rate, NPR will be my number of years. Here it will be 4. Present value I don't have. I have future value which is this. In type it can be 0 if I am doing at the end of the year and 1 if I am doing at the beginning of the year. So I'll take it 1 and I will close. I will freeze it. And this will be my annual saving at the rate of 10%. So I will get this much amount at the end of the 4th year. So what will be my plan? I will take annual saving of 18,563 every year and put in an investment which can give me around 10%. At the end of 4th year, I will get an investment of this much. I will take that lump sum amount, put in an investment which will be giving me return of 10% and take out 25,000 every year to pay my 5-year obligation, and this one will become 0 at the end of the 9 year. So this how using this formula NPV and PMT we can calculate how much money we actually need to save or to invest. So this PMT formula can also be used for calculating your EMIs. So let's say I'm at the age of 30 today. At the age of 60 I want to get retired and I assume I will die at the age of 100. What I want from the age of 30 to 60, I want to invest in plan which can give me 15% result, and then from 60 to 100 years say I want 5 lakh per annum and I will invest that at the rate of 8%. Okay, this is my plan. So what I will do, first I want what will be my the present value in the year when I will age 60. How we will take it out? Let's say N is equal to 100 minus 60 R is equal to 8%. My future value at the end of the 100 year will be 0. My annual withdrawal will be 5 lakhs. So my present value at the age of 60 will be present value. My rate will be 8% because I will be investing that amount at the rate of 8%. Number of years 40. PMT will be my 5 lakh. Future value is 0 and I will take it as 1 like at the beginning of every year. So I need to have 64 lakh 39,291 to invest when I'm at the age of 60. So to get that much of amount, what amount I need to invest every year from 30 to 60? Let's see. Now my N will be equal to 60 minus 30, 30 years. My rate will be 15% because at that amount I will be investing my money to reach here. My future value is of course this. So every year I need to take out for saving. So I will use PMT formula. Rate will be 15%, NPR will be 30, PV will be nothing, future value will be my this much, and this is 1 and I will complete. So every year I need to make 12,879 of saving in any investment plan which can give me return of 15%. I will do till the age of 60 years and I will be end up at the saving lump sum amount of this much. Now I will invest that amount in 8% investment plan and I can withdraw 5 lakh every year. So this is how you can plan your retirement plan or plan your any future obligation which you are going to make. So if you need this whole thing as a template where you can do easily without putting any formulas and you just want to input your figures, I can provide it. Reach me out at the given email ID. And I hope this is a very useful video for you. Take care and do thumbs up and share this video with your colleagues and friends. Thank you. Bye.